Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create decimal to hexadecimal converter using PHP programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my supporters, viewers, silent viewers, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for always supporting my channel by watching, leaving a comment, suggestion. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using Sublime as my text editor. So basically we have here the PHP tag, output. If I set number, text number that is being sent, it will display the result here. Now in PHP, it has so many built-in functions. One of the built-in function is this dict_hex. So dict_hex is a function in PHP that whatever integer value that we pass through, it will automatically convert into hexadecimal equivalent. There's no need for us to create a program or a code or a function that will convert decimal value into hexadecimal, because it is already a part of the PHP language. So it makes our programming much easier and efficient. Now line number 9 will be the beginning of our HTML tag, and then we have here the meta tags, and then the title decimal to hexadecimal in PHP. We have to just walk through on the code. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my website. We have here the style, cascading style sheet, body, and then the different values of the element, tag, form, label, buttons here, input and label, and then the output, and then we close our CSS here. Now the main code of the program is here, the body, and then we have form, action, post, and then the title, header 1 in HTML, decimal to hexadecimal in PHP, written by yours truly, Jake R. Pomperada, MIT. And then in this portion of our code, we have here the label, asking the user to give a number to convert, and then input type number, and then we have here the name as our variable, txt number, and then value it will display, and then it will pass through here, display, and then it will send. So we have here a submit button, so convert to hexadecimal, and then we display the output here, HTML tag that is being passed through here on the top. Okay, so we close our form, the body of our HTML, and in closing of our HTML tag. Okay, so let us go with the browser. Okay, so decimal to hexadecimal in PHP. Let's say we have here a value, let's say 100. No, okay, wait, no, that's not an octal, no, hexadecimal, sorry. Let us go back, let us refresh. Okay, so the hexadecimal value of 100 is 64. Another example, let's say we have 12, convert to hexadecimal. The hexadecimal value of 12 is C, small letter C. And then we have here 412, convert to hexadecimal. The hexadecimal value of 412 is 19 point C. Okay, so let us open another application. It's a converter. Okay, let's say for example here, let us compare. So the first one, 412, we have 19C, and then we go here, we put 412, click convert. Yes, we have here 19C also, so our program works perfectly. Now if we compare another example, we have 3000 decimal value. When we convert to hexadecimal, we have BB8, and then here we have also 1000. This is an online decimal to hexadecimal converter. We have 03E 3E8. Okay, what? There is some difference. Okay, 150, 96. We have 150. Convert. Okay, we have 96. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on decimal to hexadecimal in PHP programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you like this video in my channel by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.